Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. This skill is incredibly useful for anyone needing to understand temperature readings across different systems, whether you are traveling internationally or simply reading a foreign recipe. We will break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps, ensuring you can confidently make these conversions yourself. Let's get started on mastering this fundamental temperature transformation. The heart of converting Fahrenheit to Celsius lies in a straightforward formula. You begin by taking your Fahrenheit temperature and subtracting 32 from it. This step accounts for the difference in the 0 points of the two scales. After that, you multiply the new value by the fraction 5/9. This fraction adjusts for the different size of the degree units. Remember, precision in these steps ensures an accurate conversion every time. Let's walk through a practical example together. Imagine you have a temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit. First, subtract 32 from 68, which leaves you with 36. Next, you'll multiply this 36 by 5/9. 36 divided by 9 is 4, and 4 multiplied by 5 gives you 20. So, 68 degrees Fahrenheit is equivalent to 20 degrees Celsius. It's quite simple once you follow the steps. To help you quickly estimate, remember some key reference points. Water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which is exactly 0 degrees Celsius. For boiling, 212 degrees Fahrenheit equals 100 degrees Celsius. A comfortable room temperature, often around 72 degrees Fahrenheit, translates to approximately 22 degrees Celsius. These benchmarks can provide a helpful mental shortcut when you need a quick conversion without a calculator. Keep practicing, and it will become second nature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.